everyone, this is the second problem based on the projection of line inclined to both the plane. So the problem is line AB 75 mm long. Line AB 75 mm long is inclined 30 degree and 40 degree with HP and VP. A line AB 75 mm long is inclined 30 degree and 40 degree with HP and VP. And A is 12 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. So the point, the location of point A is given to you. 10 mm, so 12 mm above HP and 10 is in front of VP. Draw the projection of line and find short length in the front view and top view. So we have to find short lengths in the front view and top view. Also we have to find the angles. Apparent angle means alpha and beta. So we have to find alpha and beta also. Okay. So steps, already I have told you the steps for solving any problem based on the line. So these are the 3 steps which we have to apply and which we have to use for solving this problem. So the first step says that you have to identify the data. So this is a common step for each and every problem. Like you have to first identify the data by reading the problem. Once, twice you have to read the problem and you have to find out what is given the problem. That is very important. Half of your problem will automatically solve if you have identified the correct data. Okay. So the statement is very important. A line AB 75 mm long. A line AB 75 mm long. So problem already said that a line AB whose length is 75 mm. So that is fixed. So that is the true length of a line. Line पहले ही बता दिया है कि वो line 75 mm की है. So that is the true length of a line. So given data is the first is true length of the line, that is 75 mm. Now as per our drawing which we have seen in the projection of line when it is inclined to both the plane, as per our drawing, what are the notations which we have used for this true length? Notation हमने क्या use किया था true length के लिए? Just you can refer the video, last video. The notations were A dash, B1 dash for the front view, A dash, B1 dash for the front view, and A, B1 for the top view. That both are equal because that's the true length, and that is given to us, that is 75 mm. So don't get confused, just you can refer the projection of line inclined to both the plane when we have seen how to find the true length from the short length. So we have seen that we have given this name. True वाले point को नाम दिया था B1 dash, top front के लिए, top के लिए B1. So as per our notations, A dash, B1 dash and A B1, that is given to us 75 mm. Now it is given that 75 true length. True length is inclined 30 degree with the HP. So when true length is inclined with HP, so that is theta. So theta is given to us 30 degree. True length is inclined 40 degree with the VP, so that is given to us phi, that is 40 degree. So this is very important. Don't get confused. These are theta and phi because these are the true angles. So when the true length is inclined, so that will be theta and phi. So these are the data which is given in the problem. Apart from this, it is given A dash is 12 mm above XY, A is 10 mm below XY. Okay, so data is given to us true length, theta and phi. So this is our first step. Second, we have to plot as per the given data. So let's plot as per our given data. So true length is 75. So true length is given to us 75. So first draw the reference. So this is the reference axis XY. Then start with the location of point which is given to us. There is 12 above and 10 in front. So first 12 and suppose this is 10. So this is my A dash and this is my A. Okay. So next I will be plotting the locus. This is the locus of A dash and this is the locus of A. Okay. Now theta is given to us. Now theta is given to us, that is 30 degree. So theta is given to us 30 degree. So theta is 30 degree and phi is 40 degree and A dash B1 dash that is equal to A B1 that is equal to 75. So these were the data. Okay. So theta is given to us 30 degrees. Theta is the angle made by A dash. This also we have seen in the projection of line video. You can again refer that. Theta is angle made by the A dash because that is HP angle, so that will be made by A dash. Okay, so plot 30 degree from A dash. Suppose this is 30 degree line from the dash, so this is my theta, 30 degree, this is my theta. Okay, now length is given to us, true length, that is 75. So measure the 75 by means of compass and cut from this A dash. So wherever it is going to cut, that point will be B1 dash. Don't do mistake here, because this is the true length, so that point is going to be B1 dash, because B dash is the short length, but this is 2, so this is B1 dash. Okay, phi is the angle made by the A, because that is top view angle. So from A, draw a line of 45 degree, so sorry, 40 degree, so this is phi, that is 40 degree. Okay, again A B1 is 75, so again compass already there, 75 mm, cut on this line. So wherever it is going to cut, that point will be named as B1, because this is again the true length, this is not the short length, so that point will be named as B1. Now these are not going to match, this will not be on the same line, so don't ever use this concept that B1 dash and B1 are going to be on the same line. No, this is not going on the same line. So we have done this also. Okay, now coming to the third one, apply rotation of line method. So again there are two problems, there are two cases, whether to find true length from the short length. In this problem, whether we have to find true length from the short length? No, because already true length is given to us in this problem, so this is not applicable here. Now whether we have to find short length from the true length? Yes, we have to find here short length from the true length. So we have to use this second concept of finding the short length from the true length. Now what we are going to do to find short length from the true length? That depends on what we have done in finding the true length from the short length. In this one, what we have done is, first we have rotated, then we have dropped vertical. पहले rotate करते थे, then vertical. So that was the concept for finding true length. But already we are having the true length. Now we want short length. We want this B dash here from here. We want B dash point here from this B1. Now what we are going to do? We are going to move reverse. Reverse in the sense, now we are not going to move first rotate and vertical, but first we are going to drop vertical. First we are going to drop vertical and then we are going to rotate. This is very important. To find out the short length from the true length, first we will be taking vertical and then we will be rotating. For that we require locus. Okay, so first draw the locus from B1 dash. Similarly, draw the locus from the B1. So this is a common step to draw the locus. So now what we have to do? First vertical, then rotate. So first what we have to do, suppose this is my true length, so I will be taking the vertical from the B1. So I will be taking the vertical from the B1 up to the locus of A dash. This is my first step. What I have done, I have taken the vertical from the B1 up to the locus of A dash. Now take compass, you have to take the compass. Now radius will be this part. This is very important, please please note it down or draw along with me. Yeah, this will be my radius, Now you have to take your compass, this is the radius, and you have to rotate such that you will be intersecting that locus of B1 dash at some point. So I have done this part, so intersecting at this point. So what is the name of that point? That point is B dash. This point is B dash because that is the short length point. So join A dash B dash. So you have to join A dash B dash. So you will be getting short length. Join A dash B dash. You will be getting the short length in the front view on this angle made by the short length. We all know this is apparent angle, that is alpha. So what I have done is first vertical, then rotate. If you just recall what we have done to find out the true length, हमने क्या किया था? जब ये था हमारे पास, when we were having A dash B dash, so first we have rotated, पहले घुमाते थे यहीं तक, then we have dropped vertical. Now we are having this true length, so we will be moving in reverse manner. So first take vertical up to here, then rotate it. Okay, so we have obtained the B dash. Now how to obtain this top view? How to obtain this short length in the top view? Now we will be using that concept. Which concept? The concept, the B dash and the B lie on the same line. B dash and the B lie on the same line. So what we have to do is, simply I will be dropping the projector. it will be intersecting the locus of B1 somewhere. So this point is B. Now you can use the concept B dash and B will lie on the same line, but this will not lie on the same line. So we have used that concept, lying on the same line, then join AB1. Now this is my short length in the top view, the angle made by the short length, that is beta. So this is the method, this is the step which is used to find out the short length from the true length. Again I am repeating, the true length was given to us, this is the true length, this is the true length. What the step? Drop vertical first and then rotate it. We can drop vertical from here also. I could have dropped vertical from this B1 dash also up to here, and then I could have rotated this. So I was obtaining the same point B here. I can obtain the same point B here by moving the vertical and rotating. But again, that will be complicated. It's not required to rotate and vertical and rotate 2 times. Once I have taken the vertical, then rotated. Once if I obtain this point, so simply drop the vertical. So this is the step of finding short length from the true length. Please keep in mind, first vertical, pehle vertical, then rotate. Whenever you are going for short length from the true length. But whenever you are going true length from the short length, it's just reverse. First rotate. Here is first rotate, and then vertical. So please keep in mind. So when you are going for true length from the short length, first rotate, then drop vertical. But whenever you are going for short length from the true length, first vertical, then rotate. And these are the 2 concepts on the basis of which you can solve any problem of projection of line inclined to both the plane. Again, if you want, okay, I will be writing this concept. I think this is clear to everyone. So the concept is very simple. Please, you can note it down. The concept is, whenever you want to find the true length from short length, so first rotate like this, then drop, then vertical, then vertical. This is for finding the true length from the short length. But when you are going reverse, finding the short length from true length, first vertical, it can be upward, it can be downward. First vertical and then rotate. So please, you have to keep in mind these 2 concepts on the basis of which you can solve any problem on the line. True length from the short length, first rotate, then vertical. Short from the true, first vertical, then rotate. So in this problem we have applied this concept. First we have taken the vertical, then we have rotated. Then we have found out the alpha and beta. So this is the way we can solve this problem. So we have seen both the problems of line to find short from the true or true from the short. So again I will be taking one more problem in the next video. In that we will be identifying whether we have to go for this one or this one. That is based on the problem. We have to see the data, then we have to decide whether we have to go for this or this.